Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for December 12th, 2014. We have a chilly morning out there, especially with some of that snow cover out there, with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s over the western suburbs of Philadelphia and New York City, and lower to mid 30s along the coast and in your urban locations. We have winds from the west and northwest at around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and for the most part, we are dealing with overcast skies. The majority of the snow is over, but there's still a threat for a few snow flurries here and there. Let's dive into this forecast. Okay, so we have our low pressure system and our upper level low still meandering over New England, starting to push into the Canadian Maritimes. Notice our low pressure system has weakened significantly down to 1005 millibars. It was at 996 millibars, so it's risen about 9 millibars over the past 24 hours. Now, this low pressure system will continue to slowly drift to the north and east, and while doing so, there will be a threat for an isolated flurry or two, especially for this afternoon and evening. Otherwise, variable cloud cover can be expected. This high pressure system will be the dominant feature for the rest of this upcoming weekend, providing chilly yet dry weather conditions through Sunday and even Monday. On the radar, you can clearly see not much is really going on here. We do have a few of those flurries out here in central Pennsylvania and in the Hudson River Valley in northeastern Pennsylvania. Other than that, pretty high and dry out there. Again, most locations will not see any snowfall at all, but I just want to keep you abreast of the potential for a flurry or two. Not to worry, it will not accumulate. On the water vapor satellite picture, you can see our upper level low slowly pushing north and east. It will exit by the time we get to tomorrow, and for the most part, we have this convergent flow setting up over the northern mid-Atlantic, which means sinking air, which means it's going to be very quiet over the next couple of days, and let's face it, we could use the break. So with that in place, let's take a look at the infrared satellite picture, and you can see we still have some low clouds and some mid-level clouds rotating through the region. So today is going to be an overall cloudy day, but broken to overcast cloud cover, becoming more scattered by this evening. And for the rest of the weekend, look for scattered cloud cover, much like what we're seeing in the Ohio River Valley throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for this weekend. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the European model guidance from the Penn State EWAL website. Again, for today, low pressure system exits out, high pressure builds in. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 30s along the coast and mid 30s over the interior. For tomorrow, high pressure in control. Look for low temperatures in the lower 20s over the interior. A few upper teens are possible as well, especially with some of that snowpack. Along the coast, look for mid 20s for lows. High temperatures tomorrow, pretty much near normal for this time of year. Mid to upper 30s over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. On Sunday, high pressure remains in control with low temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. By Monday, that high pressure system starts to shift to the east. We'll see more of a southwesterly flow starting to take hold. Look for scattered to broken cloud cover with temperatures ranging from the mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the interior, and mid to upper 40s along the coast. We have an area low pressure that will move through the region with a cold front on Tuesday with a few scattered showers. Those showers will linger into Wednesday as the low pressure system exits. So on Wednesday morning, look for some rain and snow showers as well. Temperatures on Tuesday will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior and lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures generally in the mid to upper 40s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and the interior. On Wednesday, those low temperatures range from the lower to mid 30s and then pretty much stall out in the lower to mid 40s by the time we get to the afternoon. And then temperatures are going to fall Wednesday afternoon through the 40s and into the 30s as that colder air builds in. And then by Thursday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover and rather chilly. Temperatures generally ranging from the mid to upper 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. And then we'll have to watch out for this disturbance and see how it interacts with this disturbance by the time we get to the start of Christmas week. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.